Welcome back to the ArborScope demonstration channel. This is a quick tutorial video on how to use the multiple tree editor within ArborScope. At the top of any page, go to the Manage Features tab, select Multiple Tree Editor, and this is where you have the ability to do mass editing across all of the database within ArborScope. In the example that we're going to do today, we're going to apply a work history date for root collar excavation to 5 different trees all at once. We come over here to our trees to update. I'm going to paste in the 5 trees that I already have selected. We can also use the Select on Map tool as previously shown, or the Select by Species, depending on what type of information you're going to be changing. For this example, we're going to be choosing work type. But if you were going to be changing any other type of information, you come down to attributes and you can see the different types of information that can be mass edited. So we're going to come up to work type. We're going to choose RCX, root collar excavation. And what we're going to need to do is to make sure that we select a date completed to show that it was a work history item. So we're going to choose today's date. We're going to put who the work was performed by. And then we're going to select Update. You're going to get a window at the top of your screen, just confirming that you want to apply a work history item to those dates. We're going to hit OK, and then you'll get a pop-up window. Note saying that it was applied. So let's go to tree number 6, just to confirm that the history item was selected. Type in number 6, select Go, and here's a Norway spruce. We go down to our work history tab, and here we go. March 19th, 2020, root collar excavation was completed by Bartlett. Well, that was a quick video on how to use the multiple tree editor to manage your database. Remember to keep in mind that when you're using the multiple tree editor, you can make mass edits across many different features with many different attributes. Always double check to make sure that you are applying the recommendation, the work history, the change in diameter, the change in species, whatever you're going to be changing, make sure, double check that you are applying those changes to the appropriate trees.